Want to know how to start up and learn Java fundamentals using Infosys training or Infosys Springboard? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Infosys Springboard according to your geolocation, that is US, Australia or Canada. So once you're done with that, make sure you are logged in as well. And on the dashboard right here, on the top, you can see this search bar. It says, what do you want to learn? You can just simply select it. And since we want Java fundamentals, just simply search up for Java fundamentals. Now once it opens up, here you can see the exact match for Java fundamentals, which is for your course currently. So if you want more details, you can just simply select Java only with its version. So since we want basics or fundamentals, you can just simply click on as well. And that's it. Once I've selected this course, it will show you its overview and details. So you can see right here, it's free as well. So you can just simply select start to start up your course. And after the completion is done, you might also get certificate. So you can see table of contents and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.